Uh-oh. Try again. You can do it. Uh-oh. Yes, it fell down. Yay! Good girl, you did it! It's swinging!
Yes.
I see it. You took it off?
Did you take off your daughter's off the floor?
You drop it down. Fell down. What's your name? Really? How old are you? That's your name, but how old are you? No, I'm not Zahara. You're Zahara. How old is Zahara? It's swinging! Yay! Oh, you give mommy hugs. Say, look at the camera. Say, yay! Give mommy a kiss. Mwah. Swinging. You gonna catch it? You got it! Yay! Yay! Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Yeah.
What do you want to watch? Do you want to watch Your Baby Can Read instead? Do you want to watch something other than Dora tonight?
Yeah. No.
Go get your Dora. Go get Dora. Say bye-bye. Yay, you put it back up. No, she's put it back up and she's going for her Dora. Zuzi, where are you? You're right there?